Hey guys, welcome back to Weeds World. Hold on, let's do this. So, our odyssey continues. Yes, Banana and I, she's enjoying her bagel with a G&T. We were at the National Airport of America, outside the greater DC area, or inside the greater DC area. Headed to Atlanta. Did I show you the G&T? We're really enjoying this. It's kind of early in the morning too, which is crazy, whatever. You know what's awesome? We're going to see Atlanta, the next 4 shows. Atlanta, Philadelphia, Cleveland, and Denver. How awesome is that? Yeah. I'm not sure what song I'm supposed to vote on for the Atlanta show, but hopefully we run across some of those elusive shadoobs, which I really still haven't given you the whole history of the shadoobs yet. Because that'll be the wild card song, or one of them, but whatever. Hey, when we touch ground in Atlanta, we will check in. Say bye, baby girl.
Happy D-Day.
Oh yeah, that's right.